Welcome to the fifth video of the 100 Days Challenge while building projects in public. After yesterday showing how I created some page to see statistics, I still had some pending things to do regarding the multi-language, and was to explain the users how this was actually behaving, and also some feedback that I was missing from the very first video where that user gave me. So here is the application that I had published from yesterday. And one missing thing that I had was this unlock button that the guy who tested the game told me that he was thinking that this was the actual category, but actually when you click on the unlock it shows which is the category of the word. So that was something that I had to fix. And also I wanted that when the user here had the English and Spanish speaker, they could know that each of them had separate statistics and different words. So I worked on that during the day. I unified the button so that now there's only one button without the text on the left that it clearly says unlock hint, and when you click on the unlock hint you see the whole thing, category plus whatever. And also if you go to the stats page, then you have the English speaker plus the Spanish, and here it clearly states that each language has its own words to guess and its own statistics, and if you go to the Spanish it also says the same. Again, this is done thanks to the translation system that I implemented first. So I have a JSON file for each of the languages where I have different keys, and then I prepared one translate.js file with some helper method that basically loads the file of the server based on the language that you want, and from that it just converts it to JSON and sets variable translations that is used across the application. And then when I try to look for a specific translation, I just call this T helper method with the key that I want to use, and since it has loaded the JSON, it will try to fetch the exact value for that specific key. So then I can see that whatever in the game, I just access with this T to the category button plus one default value in case that for any reason the translation system does not work, it does not show just an empty text. And that was everything I did today. I don't know what else to do. I guess the only important thing actually is to get some users to it, because I already spent 5 videos fixing things that one user gave me, but if I go to the statistics page that I implemented, basically you can see here that there's, well, you cannot see it actually because I have it hidden, but no one played today, so I'm doing something for anyone. So I'm gonna think how to market that. I've been thinking on sharing it to different pages such as Indie Hackers or some other platforms like that, but at the end the users that I'm looking for are not there. I already created some TikTok account plus Twitter account, and I tried to publish for a couple of days some weeks ago when I created the game, but it didn't get enough traction. Actually, no users came from there. The only users came from direct contact that I made sending emails to some, let's say, not influencers, but people that plays those games online. So yeah, I think that tomorrow's thing, it's not going to be actually coding nothing, but thinking on how to get some users and try to reach some numbers on, otherwise just kill the project. I mean, I still have the domain, but kill it until the domain expires, because otherwise I would be spending lots of days to just not get anything in return. Having said that, if you've watched until here, you may be the first one, because as you've seen, there's no views on the videos yet, if there's going to be ever. So thank you for watching, and let's see you tomorrow.